Peace be upon you and your family. My dear students, in this video we are going to discuss about the assignment part of class 11, subject chemistry, unit 1, basic concept of chemistry and chemical calculation, part A. Choose the best answer. Anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. We know it, the basic concept. The mass of 1 mole of a substance is molar mass. Which one of the following is used as a standard for atomic mass? Carbon 612 is used as a standard in the calculation of atomic mass and also relative atomic mass. 1U, U means unified atomic mass, stands for the mass of 1/12th part of carbon 12 atom in its ground state. One word number 5, which of the compound or compounds have percentage of carbon same as that in ethylene? It is our book by question. Propene. Question number 6, unit of Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 power 23 is no unit. And the volume occupied by 1 mole of any gas at standard atmospheric temperature and pressure is 22.4 liter. The oxidation number of an element in its combined state or free state is taken at 0. The oxidation number of oxygen in O2 is 0. Homogeneous diatomic molecule oxidation state equal to 0. Rusting of iron is an example of redox reaction. This is one word part. Come to the question answer, short answer question. Part B, very short answer. Question number 11, after 10 one word question. What are elements and compounds? An element consists of only one type of atom. An atom is the smallest electrically neutral particle made up of fundamental particles, namely electrons, protons and neutrons. Proton and neutrons are present inside the nucleus and the electrons are revolving and rotating around the nucleus. Proton is positively charged, electron is negatively charged, neutron chargeless particle like atom. Element can exist as monoatomic or polyatomic. Example, monoatomic unit gold Au, copper Cu. Polyatomic unit hydrogen H2, phosphorus P4 and sulfur S8. Come to the compound. Compounds are made up of molecules which contain 2 or more atoms of different element. Example, carbon dioxide CO2, glucose C6H12O6, hydrogen sulfide H2S and sodium chloride NaCl. Question number 12, define relative atomic masses. The relative atomic mass is defined as ratio of average mass of the atom to the unified atomic mass, AR, relative atomic mass. Question number 13, what is Avogadro's number? The total number of entities here indicate that atoms or molecules or particles, that means ions, present in 1 mole of any substance is equal to 6.022 into 10 power 23. This number is called Avogadro number. Avogadro number has no unit. What is the empirical formula of the following? Fructose C6H12O6 and caffeine C8H10N4O2. Compound molecular formula and empirical formula. Fructose. By dividing these by a common number, we will get, when you divide these by 6, 2, 6, CH2O. And caffeine, by dividing all these numbers by a common number 2, you will get 4, 5, 2, 1. Empirical formula. Define limiting reagent. When a reaction is carried out using non-stoichiometric, non-balanced quantities of the reactant, the product yield will be determined by the reactant that is completely consumed. It limits the further reaction from taking place and is called as a limiting reagent. Come to the part C, short answer. Question number 16. What do you understand by the term mole? 1 mole is the amount of substance of a system which contains as many elementary particles as there are atoms in 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope. The elementary particles can be molecules, atoms, ions, electrons or any other specified particle. This is mole. Define gram equivalent mass. What is gram equivalent mass? Gram equivalent mass is defined as the mass of an element, compound or ion that combines or displaces 1.008 gram of hydrogen, equivalent mass of hydrogen, or 8 gram of oxygen, equivalent mass of oxygen, or 35.5 gram of chlorine, equivalent mass of chlorine. Question number 18. What is oxidation number? It is defined as the imaginary charge left on the atom when all other atoms of the compound have been removed in their usual oxidation state that are assigned according to set of rules. A term that is often used interchangeable with oxidation number is called oxidation state. Question number 19. Give any 3 examples for redox reaction that occur in our daily life: burning of LPG gas, rusting of iron, oxidation of carbohydrates, lipids, etc. into carbon dioxide and H2O to produce energy in the living organisms. Define stoichiometry. Stoichiometry means balancing of a chemical reaction, gives the numerical relationship between chemical quantities in a balanced chemical equation. Come to the part 4. Write in detail. A simple questions. One is, a compound on analysis gave the following percentage composition: carbon equal to 54.55%, hydrogen 9.09%, oxygen 36.36%. Determine the empirical formula of the compound. Elements, 3 elements are given: carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Their percentages are written here. Then carbon atomic mass 12, hydrogen atomic mass 1, oxygen atomic mass 16. Then relative number of atom equal to percentage by atomic mass: 54.55 divided by 12, 4.55, 9.09 divided by 1, 36.36 by 16 will give this answer. So simplest ratio can be determined by dividing all these answers by the lowest number. The lowest number is 2.27. By dividing all these by 2.27, we will get 2, 4, 1. Carbon 2, hydrogen 4, oxygen 1. That is empirical formula. Empirical formula equal to C2H4 and O. Question number 22. Differentiate reduction and oxidation. Explain any 3 types of redox reaction with the suitable examples. Serial number: oxidation, reduction. Addition of oxygen and removal of hydrogen is called oxidation. Addition of hydrogen and removal of oxygen is called reduction. Loss of electron: Fe2 plus loss 1 electron becomes Fe3 plus is called oxidation. Gain of electron: copper 2 plus gain 2 electron becomes metallic copper, is an example of reduction, 2 electron. And increasing in oxidation number is called oxidation. Calcium is converted into calcium 2 plus ion with the loss of electron. Oxidation number increases from 0 to 2 plus. Decreasing in oxidation number is called reduction. Zn2 plus is reduced into zinc. Decreasing in oxidation number, element in free state, oxidation state equal to 0. Removal of metal: potassium iodide when treated with hydrogen peroxide, a metal is removed from iodine, potassium hydroxide is formed. Addition of a metal, mercury chloride, when added with mercury it is converted into mercurous chloride. Come to the types of redox reaction. One is combination reaction. Redox reactions in which two substances combine to form a single compound are called combination reaction. For example, carbon combined with the oxygen gives carbon dioxide. Carbon oxidation state is increases from 0 to +4 oxidation. Oxygen oxidation number is decreases from 0 to -2. It is called reduction. Decomposition reaction. Redox reactions in which a compound breaks down into two or more components are called decomposition reaction. These reactions are opposite to combination reaction. In this reaction, the oxidation number of different elements in the same substance is changed. Displacement reactions. Redox reactions in which an ion or an atom is a compound is replaced by an ion or compound of another element are called displacement reaction. These displacement reactions are classified into metal displacement reaction and non-metal displacement reaction. Metal displacement reaction, when zinc rod is placed in copper sulfate solution, zinc displaces copper. From copper sulfate solution, blue color of copper sulfate is changed into colorless, and on the surface of zinc, reddish brown copper is deposited. Non-metal displacement reaction, when zinc is placed in hydrochloric acid, zinc displaces the non-metal hydrogen as hydrogen in gaseous state and forms zinc chloride. And my dear students, in this video we discussed about the assignment 1 from unit 1. Thank you for watching. If you like, subscribe. Thank you very much.